Welcome to this video on drumming for health and well-being. Scientists and researchers have known about the benefits of drumming for many years and how the hypnotic drum beats can lead to mindfulness. Their research has shown that mindfulness and meditation can be therapeutically helpful for many health issues, from memory loss to stress, and may even be supportive in some serious health conditions. Since the time of Buddha, we have known about the stress-reducing benefits of both drumming and mindfulness, and the drum was an important part of many Buddhist traditions. For centuries, in temples and monasteries, drums, bells and gongs have been used to announce meal times, prayer times, and most particularly for meditation practice. In this presentation, we show you how you can combine drumming and mindfulness. As you tap the drum lightly in a regular rhythm of your choice, focus your attention on the beat of the drum, the variety of tones it creates, and the sounds you are creating in the room around you. Use your voice also to hum or sing along, or to simply create a regular ah or sound along with the drum. This powerful and ancient technique can help you to focus, still your mind, and bring you into the moment to help you create your path to mindfulness.